Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is December the 4th, Monday morning. As you guys can see, our account has finally surpassed that 30,000 mark and a road to 100K, hopefully. But as you guys can see, we had a really nice trade on Friday, putting our account at $30,164 as of this morning. With that being said, let's get into our watch list. This morning, I'm watching Tesla and Meta. And as you guys can see here on Tesla on the daily chart, Tesla been trading in this range of 234 to that 244 key level. But last week, we finally got above that 244, but it was shortly lived as we started selling off and getting below that. And as we can see in the market been aggressively selling off here in pre-market. So what I'm looking for here is just on Friday, we did kind of bounce off that 234 key level. But as you guys can see here in pre-market, we have given all that move that we made on Friday here in pre-market. We are trading around just right above that 234 key level. So if we stay above that before the market opens, which is going to open in 5 minutes or so. So I'm trying to go through this pretty quick. If it stays above that before the market opens, I'm looking for a break of that 234, as well as that Friday's low, that 232 key level, if this momentum continues to the downside. But if we start switching directions and we guys start seeing some buys to the upside, I'm looking for that pre-market high break, as well as that 240 key level, and possibly has a room up to that 244. But if this momentum continues, we do have a room all the way down to that 226. Maybe we get a retest of that 226 key level. With that being said, next we got Meta. Alrighty. So as you guys can see, Meta made a new all-time high, that 340. Not a new all-time high, actually. We broke through that 338 key level. But as you guys can see, rejected off that last week. We started getting that sell-off, broke through that 325 key level, and we closed below that. But as you guys can see, pre-market, sell-off continued, and we got below that 320 key level. So what I'm looking for is possibly a retest of that 320. We get a rejection. If the momentum continues to the downside, looking for a break of that pre-market low break, and it possibly has a room down to that 311-ish. But if the momentum continues switches and continues to the upside, looking for a break at that 325, as well as that Friday's high, and possibly has a room up to that 334 key level. But with that being said, market is about to open here in about 3 minutes or so, and hopefully we get some good setups this morning. Get some good setup this morning, as well as some good price actions. And I'll see you guys if I find anything. Alright, you guys can see Tesla has came back down to that pre-market low level. I'm looking for a retest of that 234. As you guys can see, we're getting some pullback. That's what I'm looking for. Market is consolidating as well. So before we get another leg down, I'm looking for a consolidation before we get a breakout, that 234 level. Alright, everything is looking really good right now. I'm just waiting for SPY and QQQ to start selling off. Tesla did set up really nice. We got the consolidation. Now we are looking for a breakout of that 234. There we go. That's sell-off beginning. Alright, I'm in there 10 contracts at 650. I'm risking off of that 235.50 level. SPY and QQQ starting to sell off as well. Everything is looking good. Now we sit, let the trade play out. Alright, here comes that break. There we go. We finally got to blow that. Alright. Looking for some continuation here. I'm not liking this aggressive pullback, so I'm going to go ahead and exit this. So we are break even on this trade. It was going really nice in my favor, but as you guys can see, we are getting some aggressive pullback here. Bounced off that 233, 35-ish level. So just gonna go ahead and exit this trade. As you guys can see, it does have this decent volume behind it. So, and also it is overly extended. It is far from that VWAP level, so it needs to retest that level within the next 30 minutes to an hour or so. But anyways, break even day, not much going on, honestly. Meta been very choppy. I thought I had some decent move on Tesla, decent setup, and I was in the money, up 500, 600 on this trade. Could have took it, but I was hoping to hold it down to that 230. We had a room down to that 232 level, but it is what it is. We are one and done on the day. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Market opened at 7:30, so gonna go ahead, call it quits for today. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday.